This is JEE Advanced 2024 Paper 1 Question number 2. Question says that in a true-false type quiz, a student knows answer to some questions and answers correctly if he knows its answer, and that a student guesses answer to the remaining questions. When he guesses, then his answer may be correct or his answer may be not correct. Probability of his answer to be correct when he gives answer to a question by guessing is 1/2. When he has given correct answer to any question, then probability that he has given the answer not by knowing but by guessing its answer is 1/6. Then we have to find the probability of he knows the answer of a randomly selected question. We have to find this. I will solve this question by two methods. In method 1, I will solve this question without using Bayes' theorem. In method 2, I will solve this question by using Bayes' theorem that you have to read in class 12 math. The student knows answer to some questions. How many questions? Suppose number of questions whose answer the student knows is X. And he guesses answer to remaining question. How many questions? We suppose he guesses answer to Y number of questions. Y. Then total number of questions in this true-false quiz will be equal to X plus Y. Will be equal to X plus Y. Total number of questions. And we have to find probability he knows the answer. To a randomly selected question. Probability that he knows the answer to a randomly selected question will be x number of question he knows divided by number of total question, that means x plus y, x by x plus y. That means probability that he knows the answer will be equal to x by x plus y. We have to find value of x by x plus y. When he guesses answer to a question, then probability of its being correct is 1 by 2. That means out of all these y questions, he answers 50% question correctly and 50% question incorrectly. That means out of these y question, whose answer he guesses is correct, number of question whose answer he gives correctly by guessing is equal to y by 2. Y by 2. If he answers every question in the true-false quiz, then he answers x plus y questions. And out of these x plus y questions, correct answer, he gives correct answer for x plus y by 2 questions. He answers x plus y by 2 question correctly. When he gives correct answer, then it is obvious that he has answered this question or these many questions. Out of all the correctly answered question, answer to how many questions he has given by guessing is y by 2. That means probability that he has answered by guessing, when it is known that he has answered correctly, will be equal to y by 2 divided by x plus y by 2. When it is given that he has answered correctly, that means he has given answer either of these question or these question, that means these many question. And out of these many question, he has guessed y by 2 question. Therefore, this will be equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6. This implies y by 2y plus y is equal to 1 by 6. This implies 6y is equal to 2x plus y. 6y is equal to 2x plus y. This implies 5y is equal to 2x. This implies x by y is equal to 5 by 2. Using componendo and dividendo, we get x by x plus y is equal to 5 by 7, and x by x plus y is probability that he knows the answer to a randomly selected question. Therefore, probability that he knows will be equal to 5 by 7. When a randomly selected question is asked, a student either give its answer because he knows the answer, or he gives answer by guessing. Therefore, this knowing or this guessing is mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. When he knows the answer, he does not guess. When he guesses the answer, he does not know its answer. But he do one of these two. Therefore, these two events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Suppose that he knows the answer to a randomly selected question. Probability that he knows the answer to a randomly selected question is x. Probability that he knows the answer is x. Since these two events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, therefore probability of knowing plus probability of guessing will be equal to 1. If its probability is x, then its probability will be 1 minus x. Probability of guessing will be equal to 1 minus x. And we have to find out probability that he knows. That means we have to find out value of x. When he knows the answer, he answers correctly. Therefore, probability that he answers correctly when he knows the answer will be equal to 1. Probability that he answers correctly when he guesses is 1 by 2. That means, probability of correct answer when he guesses is equal to 1 by 2. Probability that he guesses the answer when he has correctly answered the question is 1 by 6. That means probability guess by correct is equal to 1 by 6. It is given. Now, first know what is Bayes' theorem. This is set A1. Set A1, element ABC. This is set A2, element DEFG. This ellipse-like figure represents set A. In set A, elements are B, C, F. A1 intersection A2 phi, and this rectangle is sample space. This rectangle is sample space. A1 intersection A, this B and this C. A2 intersection A, this F. Then, if event A has occurred, that means when either B has appeared or C has appeared or F has appeared, then its probability that A1 has occurred, A1 will also occur when A has occurred. If either B appear or C appear, that means this will be equal to 2 by 1, 2, 3. But this is formula for Bayes theorem. You can verify that its value will be 2 by 3. Probability of A2 by A. When A has occurred, then probability that A2 has also occurred will be 1 by 1, 2, 3. This will be equal to 1 by 3. You can verify that value of this will certainly be equal to 1 by 3. This is Bayes theorem to find probability of A1 by A or probability of A2 by A. If we suppose that A1 is the event that he knows, A2 is the event that he guesses, and A is the event that he answers correctly, then these information we already have given. When we apply Bayes theorem this, then probability A2 by A, that means G by C, will be equal to probability of A2 means G times probability of C by G, A by C by G, that means A by A2, divided by this. This Bayes theorem will be written in this form. We put these value from here in this and simplify to get value of x is equal to 5 by 7.